Oh, here's something else too. See this door here? This is the front door. I really love these doors, by the way. And most of the time, the doors, these panels, would be tongue and groove. Look at this. You see right outside. See that? You see the crack there? I can see daylight right through there. Right through there. And there's a few other areas I can see daylight through there. And so I'm going to have to fix that. And I'm not sure why on earth they would build a door without any grooves, like a tongue and groove or lap or something. It's just never done. Okay, so I'll take some putty stick and put in there. That'll be a nice little project. That's going to take me a while. And just with a small little screwdriver, put a little putty, push it in, push it in, push it in, and get it off. I'll have to put masking tape or something on both sides so I don't get it all over. When I get done with that, you won't even know it. Okay? Let's go on downstairs. I've got to show you something down there.